Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just switching to open with you. So it's going to take a time. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Just click here on Nextdoor promotions here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just switching to open with you. Until you will find here Nextdoor notifications, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean Nextdoor notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.